Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to VIVO Y19s. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm at the bottom. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now click on wherever you want to in all the other ones. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of VIVO. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. In those two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times and then access your contacts or files. When you finished, select Send next to Selected at the bottom. And if you decided to transfer any apps, hit OK in the pop-up. Now hit Got it in Here's Some Tip 1 and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire and hit the Receive button to connect. Now wait. Close apps. And as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!